Welcome back to English Step by Step. Today, we're diving into 50 idioms that will add personality to your English and make you sound more like a native speaker. Let's start with idioms that are all about describing situations or emotions. 1. A blessing in disguise. Sometimes things that seem bad turn out to be helpful. Losing my job was tough, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise because it led me to a better career opportunity. 2. A dime a dozen. Things that are very common are often a dime a dozen, like bottled water is a dime a dozen in big cities. 3. Beat around the bush. When people avoid getting to the point, we say they beat around the bush. 4. Actions speak louder than words. What people do is more important than what they say. For example, if you want to show you care, actions speak louder than words. 5. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. She's burning the midnight oil to finish her project. 6. Miss the boat. To miss an opportunity. Like if you don't sign up now, you might miss the boat on those concert tickets. 7. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. For example, I go hiking once in a blue moon. 8. Barking up the wrong tree. To pursue the wrong path or approach. Like, if you think I took the money, you're barking up the wrong tree. 9. Back to the drawing board. To start over. If a project doesn't go as planned, you go back to the drawing board. 10. Put all your eggs in one basket. To rely on a single opportunity or investment. It's risky to put all your eggs in one basket. 11. Caught between a rock and a hard place. To face a tough decision where neither option is ideal. 12. Every cloud has a silver lining. This means there's a positive side to every bad situation. 13. Get cold feet. To get too nervous to follow through, like before a big presentation. 14. The elephant in the room. An obvious problem or issue that everyone avoids discussing. Next, let's talk about idioms for everyday actions. 15. Break the ice. To make people feel comfortable in a new situation. 16. Call it a day. When you're done with work or an activity for the day. 17. Cut corners. When you don't do something to the best of your ability, usually to save time or money. 18. Jump the gun. To start something too early. For example, I jumped the gun by starting the assignment before the teacher's instructions. 19. Let the cat out of the bag. To accidentally reveal a secret. 20. Go back to square one. To return to the beginning of a task. When the plan failed, we had to go back to square one. 21. Hit the hay. To go to bed. 22. A taste of your own medicine. To experience the same bad treatment you've given others. 23. Pull yourself together. To calm down and behave normally after being upset or angry. 24. Take with a pinch of salt. Not to take something too seriously or literally. 25. Throw caution to the wind. To take a risk without worrying about the potential consequences. 26. Put the cart before the horse. To do things in the wrong order. 27. Burn bridges. To damage relationships or connections you might need in the future. 28. Hit the road. To leave or start a journey. Now, let's look at idioms that describe success, failure, and costs. 29. Bite the bullet. To do something difficult, like I finally bit the bullet and did my taxes. 30. Cost an arm and a leg. Something very expensive. 31. Hit the nail on the head. To be exactly right about something. 32. Break the bank. To spend all your money on something. 33. Throw in the towel. To give up or quit. 34. A golden opportunity. An excellent chance or moment to do something. 35. In the bag. to be almost certain of success. If you score on this test, your college admission is in the bag. 36. To cut your losses. To stop doing something that is not successful before losing more money or time. 37. Bite off more than you can chew. To take on more than you can handle. 38. It takes two to tango. Both people involved are responsible for the situation. And finally, here are a few random idioms that come up often. 39. A penny for your thoughts, a way of asking someone what they're thinking. 40. Birds of a feather flock together. People with similar interests or characteristics tend to associate with each other. 41. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't rely on just one plan or resource. 42. A blessing in disguise. Something that initially seems bad but has a good outcome. Actions speak louder than words. What someone does is more significant than what they say. 44. The tip of the iceberg. A small part of a much larger problem. 45. Keep your eyes peeled. Stay alert and watch carefully. 46. Out of the frying pan and into the fire, to move from a bad situation to a worse one. 47. Speak of the devil. When someone appears just as you're talking about them. 48. Curiosity killed the cat. Being too curious can lead to trouble. 49. Haste makes waste. Acting too quickly can lead to mistakes. 50. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume something will happen before it actually does. And there you have it, 50 common idioms to help make your English sound more natural. Try using a few of these in your daily conversations and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make English easy and fun. See you next time on English Step by Step.